ది ట్రాక్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ 90-డే మిరాకల్ ఆయిల్ తో జుట్టు పెరుగుదల 90 రోజులలో భృంగరాజ్ ఉసిరి మందార పువ్వు కలయిక ప్రాచీన ఆయుర్వేద పద్ధతి ప్రకారం 90 రోజులలో నిరూపితమైన నియంత్రణను ఇస్తుంది. ది ట్రాక్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ వారి 90 డేస్ మిరాకల్ ఆయిల్ ను.
So, ma'am, tell me, like, when you got all this done and everything, you're back again. What a lot of things changed in the transition period. 2021, I think you were at your peak back then. You did Sogade, you did Attar. I mean, you were doing Laukyam, all these films. But when this happened, and so many things changed. Per day, roj ki maarpothunai, ma'am. Today is not like tomorrow is something else. Tomorrow someone else is coming. Did you feel you got scared? Like, no.
No, not at all. See, because I'm somebody who is very adaptive to change.
Okay.
I have been brought up in I'll tell you, like, I'm not into that competitive zone. That number one, I'm the only child.
Okay.
So all the focus has always been on me. I never had this, that competitive attitude. I never had it in me. It was chill for me. It happens, it happens. If it's coming my way, it has to be mine. It was like that. I was not like a go-getter attitude, sort of. So when this happened in this whole, I think we all come up, we all think that the strongest one survives, or the smarter one survives, or the most competitive one survives in this career or in the world. I'm talking in general in life. That's absolutely nonsense. That is utter nonsense. The one that is, say, responsive to change, how quickly you can adapt to change, is the one that survives. I think COVID has also taught all of us that.
Correct.
Right? So I think it's how quickly you adapt to new things, the changes that happen in your life, is the one who will always survive.
That's beautiful. Because if there's no point if you're not adapting for the change.
Yeah, and change is constant.
And you're okay about it. And you're like, it's
change
fine.
is constant.
I mean, ma'am, see, but for someone, it'll be, you'll also feel like, okay, fine, like, what next? Those things.
Nikhil, I look at a very bigger picture. I don't look at this thing that, this project would have been coming to me and I missed out on this and I missed out on that and I'm in my peak and blah, blah, blah. No, I think if this disease happened to me, it has happened for a reason.
Correct.
Okay, it has happened for a reason. There is a lot that it has taught me. And my entire perspective towards life has changed. How I look at me aging, or how I look at myself coming out of it, or how I look at the world around me, how much I love my closed ones now, and how much I'm in connect with the nature, with smallest of things like sipping my coffee in the morning. I'll just enjoy every moment.